Transform your ordinary footage into extraordinary visual stories by mastering perspective changes in CapCut PC. First, open CapCut on your PC and import the video clip you want to adjust onto your timeline. Select the clip on your timeline you wish to modify. With your clip selected, navigate to the inspector panel located on the right side of your screen. Within the inspector, ensure you are in the Basic tab. Scroll down until you find the Transform section. Here, you'll see several adjustment options, including rotation. To change perspective, click on the area next to Rotate, and then select the Perspective option from the drop-down menu. You'll now see 4 adjustable points, one in each corner of your clip preview, and sliders for X and Y perspective. You can directly drag these corner points to creatively distort or correct your video's perspective. Think of it like shaping a window. Alternatively, use the X and Y perspective sliders for more precise, subtle adjustments to create a sense of depth or correct converging lines. This is incredibly useful for fixing shots where buildings appear to tilt inward or outward, giving your footage a more natural and polished look. Experiment with these controls to add a dramatic upward or downward perspective, making your subjects appear larger or smaller, or simply to create a more dynamic visual composition. With these simple steps, you can add a new dimension to your videos, turning static shots into captivating visual narratives with enhanced depth and creativity.